Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. We have a cherry tree in our yard, and with the cherry tree, around this time of year, it's February, you should actually trim the cherry tree. And you see these branches that are going up. All the branches that are going up should actually be cut because you don't want it going really high because then you can't pick the cherries. So what I'm going to do today is go up with my ladder, climb in the tree into the area in the middle, but then I'll set the ladder up to be on the outside to trim a lot of the tree, the high branches going up. So I just want to show you what I'm going to do here. So join me. So now I'm up in the tree, and you see this branch right here is really high, and that top of that, you don't want cherries up there. So it's too high for you to reach for cherries. And some of these that are hanging out like this. So what you want to do is get your clippers and just cut these high pieces off. So that's what I want to do right now. I'm going to get my clippers and cut these off. You see now I cut that off. There's nothing high. And now I'm going to go around the tree. Anything I see high that I can reach, I'm going to cut off. And then if not, I'm going to take the ladder, open it up wide, and then I'll cut it off there. So looking at this, it'd be hard to get the ladder up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my extension pole cutter, and I'm going to cut these high pieces off as much as I can. So this is my extension pole, and you can make it bigger by unlashing that, and the pole can go up higher. And you have that little rope, and you pull on this, and it'll cut the branch off. So that's what I'm going to do up here, some of these high branches on the cherry tree. So I chopped off these right here, and there's some little ones. They're okay. And I'm going to work my way over here and probably in the back. These are pretty too high to reach in the summertime, so I'm going to chop a few of those off as well. You see I got a lot of them off, like right around here. So no big deal. Some little ones that are still sticking up, but you don't have really high ones. So like I said, you want to have your cherries inside here. They want to be inside the tree growing and need some light so they can grow. And you don't want any high ones that you have to pick because it's hard to get to them. I want to try and get this clump right here. There's a lot that are sticking up high. So you see now how the top is not high. I can get up there in the summertime. My son can get up there. We can get up here in a ladder. Everything looks very low so that the cherries will grow. And probably early spring we'll start seeing some flowers. So that's how you trim. And don't trim a lot, just trim a little bit. That's how you trim a cherry tree. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, chopping a cherry tree. Or can I say, trimming a cherry tree. Spring is coming soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.